Yeah, that's racist too. I don't think it matters. I don't need to cancel her. I don't need to tweet at her and tell her why she's stupid, bad, and wrong.
Yeah, no, I agree. I agree. You nailed it. That's Philip. I'm E. It's the Afternoon Drive. Here on KMJ at KMJNow.com or wherever you stream. And looking at traffic on this Friday afternoon in Tulare County. Actually, this is in Fresno. This is in Tulare County. Look at this big bridge. It's 23,000 watts. Road 140. You hit the run without injuries. In Fresno County, eastbound 180 at South Frankswood, there is traffic as of some sort. In Madera County, southbound 99 Avenue 12 is slow and creepy and crawling just barely because there was a collision earlier at 99 again at Avenue 12, and also northbound 99 north of Avenue 9 in Madera County, also lots of stop and go there. With KMJ Traffic, I'm Rocky Carey.
This report is sponsored by Southern California Edison. Southern California Edison wants you to know that downed wires are dangerous. Never approach or touch a downed wire or anything in contact with it. Stay away and call 911. Stay alert. Stay safe.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Stay safe.
They're pounding on the door. They're calling on the phone. They're threatening to close your business. If debt has your business on the brink, call Ray Reynolds, the godfather of credit. For over 40 years, Ray Reynolds has helped thousands of customers get millions in cash credit. It's no wonder why they call Ray the godfather of credit. He may even be able to raise your score above 750 before the end of the year. You can even get a new personal or business credit line up to $50,000 within days. If your credit needs a rebuild, call Ray Reynolds and receive a $1,000 cash credit card at closing. Raise your credit score to 750 or more. Call Ray Reynolds at 800-437-8110. 800-437-8110. Learn about Ray's secrets to success and how he can fix and improve your credit score to 750 or more. Call the godfather of credit rebuild, Ray Reynolds, at 800-437-8110. 800-437-8110.
On approved credit, savings based on system size. Some restrictions apply. 30% federal tax credit based on eligibility. Consult your tax advisor. Expires 10/30/23. CSLB number 1101907. Attention homeowners. Tired of sky-high electric bills? As a homeowner, you have options that can dramatically reduce your electric bills for good with Prime Choice Solar. Prime Choice Solar is a direct installer providing personalized service for custom solar designs that not only save you money and increase the value of your home with zero out-of-pocket expense and a lifetime guarantee. Plus, right now, homeowners can qualify for a 30% federal tax credit when you go solar. Your home's equity has never been more valuable, and we can help you turn that equity into a tool for lowering utility costs and increasing your home's value even more. Discover the solar design that's perfect for your home with Prime Choice Solar, where we're turning sunshine into savings. Call today for your free no-obligation consultation. Call 800-880-0222. That's 800-880-0222. 800-880-0222. Diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety meds, everyone's on them. If you're a 50-year-old male, maybe a bit porky, and you may even have type 2 diabetes, $1 million of term insurance may only cost you about $200 a month. Call Term Provider. Speak with Big Lou. 800-555-1509. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you even if you have type 2 diabetes, are overweight, or have high blood pressure. Term Provider has helped thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-555-1509. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-555-1509. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you. He's on meds too. Call 800-555-1509. 800-555-1509 or biglou.com. Exergen thermometers are proven to be more accurate than non-contact thermometers. With children back at school, keeping them healthy is important. Clinical studies have proven that non-contact thermometers are inaccurate and can miss fevers. Accuracy matters. That's why the Exergen